Turn your dusty facility drawings into interactive floor plans with Facilities Drawings, part of the Follett Facilities Suite. Never had an accurate, up-to-date list of facility assets before? Not a problem. Facilities Drawings makes it quick and easy to build your list. Our software is fully integrated with the Work Orders database to help you stay organized and save time. Creating your list of assets has never been simpler. Walk through your facilities, take photos of different spaces and their assets, upload them and add the asset information. Custom stamps make labeling and organizing easy. When you place a stamp, a window appears, prompting you to enter all the relevant details. That stamp is visible on both the floor plan and the facility photos. Efficiently track make, model, serial number, financial details, and every other important piece of data. Once saved, your work orders database is automatically updated. Everything you need, anywhere you are, Facilities Drawings puts your floor plans at your fingertips. While viewing your interactive floor plan, clicking on an asset brings up a quick view of important information along with a menu of quick actions. From there, you can view the asset, submit a work order, add a preventative maintenance schedule, or check for open issues. Easily filter your floor plans to show only the information you need, by system or asset type. Want to know where your building's fire extinguishers are? Easy. You can also assign view-only access to individuals outside your organization. Do fire safety professionals need that information? Provide them access to the most current data. No manual updates needed. You can even download filtered floor plans for physical distribution. With Facilities Drawings, mapping and documenting your assets has never been easier. Manage a next-generation facility with software that works for you, instead of the other way around. Schedule a demo today.